wanted to do is pull back my hair, make sure that everything's out of the way. I've already double cleansed my skin this morning, and now what I'm gonna do is prep my skin. I do this every single time I do a face mask, if it's a regular face mask like this, or if it's a sheet mask, because both of them is essential to have your skin ready to absorb whatever you're gonna put on it. So my favorite way to do that, and you guys have heard this many times before in my skincare Sundays, is I love to use the Rose Aloe Witch. Now this is rose water, aloe, then witch hazel. We've also got 2 types of seaweed, vitamin B5. This is my savior. This preps my skin, it gets it ready to put on whatever else I am gonna put on and absorb it the way I want it to be absorbed. This is gonna balance the pH of your skin. It's just gonna make it all around glow. I'm in love with this. So yeah, let's get started with spraying the face. I've already prepped my skin quite a lot this morning, but we're just gonna kind of go into it. I like to press it in. Feels so good right now. Summertime, it's warm, it cools you off. And I feel like today all I need is really 3, but you could do the 7 skin method and do 7. Now we're gonna get ready for the mask.